If you've been on the lookout for the next big thing in AI software, Nuws AI just might be what you've been waiting for. In this review, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Nuws AI, why it's making waves, and whether it lives up to the hype. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right tool for your needs, and how you can try it completely free with the first link below. So, let's dive straight into it. Nuws AI isn't just another generic software that promises the world but delivers little. This tool was designed with a focus on streamlining digital marketing workflows, something that's becoming more important as AI tools continue to evolve. Whether you're running a business or just starting out, the capabilities of Nuws AI could change the game for you. And in a market flooded with AI tools, that's saying a lot. One of the standout features of Nuws AI is its ability to automate the content creation process. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, writing, or editing, Nuws AI uses advanced algorithms to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're creating blog posts, social media updates, or even email campaigns, this software can generate text that's nearly indistinguishable from human writing. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a solid option if you're trying to speed up your content creation. The second major point is the software's integration with popular marketing platforms. Nuws AI doesn't just exist in a silo, it works seamlessly with tools like Google Ads, social media platforms, and even email marketing services. This is huge for anyone in digital marketing, as it allows you to streamline your workflows without switching between different platforms constantly. If you're already using a digital marketing suite, Nuws AI can slot right in and boost your productivity. Another critical feature is its ability to generate personalized content. We all know that personalized marketing is key to driving conversions, but creating that tailored content can be time-consuming. Nuws AI uses data-driven insights to help craft messaging that speaks directly to your audience. Whether you're targeting a specific customer segment or a broader demographic, Nuws AI helps you fine-tune your message and make it more relevant. Now let's talk about Nuws AI's reporting features. Data is king in the marketing world, and Nuws AI offers a comprehensive suite of analytics tools. You'll get real-time reports on how your content is performing across various channels. This allows you to quickly identify what's working and what isn't, so you can optimize your campaigns on the fly. It's a massive time saver and helps you make smarter decisions faster. The software also includes a collaborative feature that allows teams to work together efficiently. If you're working with a marketing team or just need to get feedback from clients, Nuws AI makes it easy to collaborate on projects. You can share drafts, leave comments, and even make revisions in real time. This can save hours of back and forth communication and speed up your workflow significantly. One thing that sets Nuws AI apart from other similar tools is its learning capability. As you use it, the software gets smarter and more accurate over time. This means that the more you interact with it, the better your results will be. It's an AI that adapts to your style and needs, making it a more intuitive option than some of the one-size-fits-all solutions out there. Lastly, the software's user interface is incredibly intuitive. Unlike some AI tools that can feel like you're trying to solve a puzzle just to get started, Nuws AI is straightforward and easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this software, which is a major win for anyone looking to get up and running quickly. So, there you have it. Nuws AI is a powerful tool that can help digital marketers automate content creation, personalize messaging, collaborate with teams, and analyze performance, all in one place. And the best part, you can try it out completely free from the link below. Before I go, I want to remind you that I've spent thousands of hours testing AI software, and I've got my list of the best options in the description below. If Nuws AI isn't quite what you're looking for, you'll find other top-tier AI tools to try out for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.